done. The art is attuned to you.
Thank you. This time I'll make sure to finish what I set out to do.
I've gotta say, I didn't think you had it in you, Oscar.
I don't believe I asked for your opinion.
Lord Artorias!
Go back outside, Teresa. We'll see you when we're done.
Are the rumors true? Are you using that experimental art on Oscar?
It is true.
I was under the impression it was still incomplete, sir.
Yep. There's still a potentially fatal weakness for its channeler.
We've taken the theory as far as it will go. The next step is to learn its control and actual practice.
Don't tell me you intend to test it against that Therian. Please let me do it. I should be the one, not him.
You are not strong enough.
Then at least let me back him up.
So you can take the enemy out before Oscar uses the art? A noble plan, but I'm afraid it'd mess everything up.
How so?
It was my idea to volunteer, sister. I failed at Titania, and allowed the Therian to be stolen from Palamedes. I need to atone for my mistakes.
Then let me come with you.
I have different orders for you. Teresa Linares, you are hereby relieved of your duties as an exorcist, and are to return your Moloch.
Relieved of duty? Why?
For our plans to be realized, we require an especially strong Moloch. We've analyzed your Moloch's dormant abilities, and he is of considerable power, on the same level as the young Moloch who betrayed us for the enemy.
Simply put, you just don't got what it takes to handle him, sweetheart.
How could you?
When this is all over, I'd love to have some of your homemade cooking again, sister. I could go for that quiche you used to make.
How can you talk of that right now?
Lord Artorias.
I know what you're going to ask. Yes, Oscar, when you fulfill your mission, I will make Teresa an exorcist again.
Oscar, are you doing this for...
Don't worry about me. I'd go to the ends of the earth and back for a plate of your delicious quiche.
No. Oscar, don't go! Oscar!
Ach du Scheiße.
What should I do? If I don't do something, he'll... Huh? What's this? I'm receptive to that art. And to you.
What? Hä?
Where am I?
Take it easy, Velvet. You've been out for 3 days.
Then that's 3 days wasted. What's the situation?
Well, let's see. For one thing, Grimoire's been deciphering that ancient book. She says that this new copy is complete. All the pages we were missing are there. As for the dogs, Kamawana's taken a real shine to him.
Alright then. Now we just need to find that last Therian.
Velvet, no! I said take it easy. Seriously.
Oh, hold on. Have you not had anything to eat?
Well, I just thought, since you hadn't either.
Are you serious? Why would you do a full thing like that? You'll die if you don't eat.
Actually,
He won't die if he doesn't eat. Malachim don't actually depend on food for sustenance. If they do eat, it's only as a quirky hobby.
Alright, if you're sure. If you feel like going hungry, it's your life. But there's no sense in doing it on my account.
Good to see you're feeling better again. As you probably noticed, we made it back to Titania already.
Sorry to keep you all waiting on me. Get everyone together. We meet now.
Well, that could have gone better.
I just wanted to better understand the hardships Velvet's suffering through. It seems unfair for her to bear all of it alone.
Well, she's... how can I put it? A very straightforward kind of person.
But nothing gets under her skin like a clumsy display of sympathy.
What should I do about her then?
For now, just get something in your tummy. Any good warrior knows you eat when you have the chance. Even Malachim have more strength on a full stomach than an empty one, don't they?
Yeah.
It's true. Food will fill an empty stomach. But what is there to fill an empty heart, I wonder?
Liebe natürlich, Liebe. Was war denn das gerade alles? Alter, eine Szene nach der anderen, wo ich einfach nur sagen würde, WTF. Erstmal, Velvet zusammengebrochen. Warum? Gute Frage. Dann, wird einfach nur psychisch, könnte wohl Haus sein. Dann wird es da mit Laufset und so, wo es mit ihm gequatscht hat und das Bild von ihrem Bruder auftaucht, da hat er mir so, ja komm, das ist jetzt genau die Szene, wo ich drauf gewartet habe. Sag doch endlich, so quasi der Hinweis darauf, dass halt ihr Bruder wiedergeboren wurde. Als dieser Luffy, sozusagen. Da plötzlich der Artorius und so mit Theresa und Oscar. Sag mal, hat der Oscar echt die Fähigkeit zum Aromatisieren geben? Weil da sah das so aus. Quasi Windaromatisierung und so, versteht ihr? Und Experiment des Arte und so, es würde irgendwie auch zeitlich passen. Ach du heilige Scheiße. Dann Theresa, empfänglich. Wollen wir verarschen? Ernsthaft? Aber warum war das von Anfang an irgendwie Artorius Plan oder so? Ich verstehe es irgendwie nicht. Ja, und der andere Malak, der quasi Malak Nummer 1. Genauso mächtig wie Luffy, okay, aber Luffy ist etwa so mächtig wie Nominat, also, was geht hier ab? Das sind mal so die Dinge, die ich gerne zusammenfassen würde. Es war, wie ich sagen würde, ziemlich viel. Für meinen Geschmack fast schon ein bisschen zu viel. Auf einen Haufen. Ich meine, da latscht du etwa 30 Parts durch die Welt hindurch oder hast kaum Informationen und so. Und plötzlich boom, 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 boom. Und denkst du so, hä? Was geht nicht mehr, wo ich jetzt überhaupt zuerst nachdenken soll und warum und wieso und sowieso das Gleiche, aber trotzdem. Es war geil, gar keine Frage. Aber auch unerwartet.
I noticed that too. Do you think something happened?
The Bloodwings said the Abbey's been quiet everywhere. Apparently, some bad demons and a cursed pirate crew have been giving them trouble, and they can't spare the men to patrol the outer seas.
That's Eifried's pirates for ya. Always gathering information and keeping on their guard.
A cursed pirate crew? Isn't that us? If the info's sound, we've really made a name for ourselves.
Abbey ships run and hide when they see us coming.
Reason dictates that we avoid hopeless fights.
Ooh, Shepherd Artorius, you're my hero!
If only our enemies were truly that dumb. Sadly, the world isn't that forgiving. We can't drop our guard.
Aye. I've contacted some fishermen friends of mine. They'll let us know if they notice anything fishy.
We've got the First Mate's curse to deal with. We can never be too careful.
Yeah, with that Reaper's curse hanging over it.
Well, at least they're not too bothered.
Ja. Sinnlos Gequatsche, aber der Hinweis auf die Abtei war doch relativ interessant. Klar, wir haben Blutschwingen und so, deswegen eigentlich immer aktuelle Informationen. Trotzdem frage ich mich natürlich auch, warum greifen die eigentlich mal an? Weil, jetzt mal ganz ehrlich, die müssen doch mittlerweile zumindest mal eine Ahnung haben, von wegen, hey, so, die sind auf Titanium und so, wir können mal nachgucken, das sind die Furians. Ich meine, ich weiß auch nicht. Eine Variante wäre natürlich, dass wir sogar wissen, dass die Furians alle hier sind, aber aus bestimmten Gründen, ich sage jetzt mal, noch nichts unternehmen. Ich meine, wir haben es gehört, Theresa empfänglich, Oscar, wie ich vermute, kann amatisieren mit irgendeinem Windmalak, wieso auch immer. Wenn natürlich die beiden angreifen und Theresa bereits im Furian ist und so, mit ihrer, trotzdem noch Exorzisten-Power und so und Erfahrung etc. etc., dann wird das schon heikel. Aber ja, dass wenn es um die Furians und ganz alles geht, werden vielleicht sogar alle kommen, sprich auch Shigure und Melchior noch, vielleicht sogar hier der Endfight. Ja, ich weiß das schon. So, genug Quatsch, Freunde, waren so ein paar Theorien und Ideen von mir. Erstmal gucken, so, Part Nummer 82. Ich war ja doch schon, ja, gut, eigentlich Kommi-Part, egal. Mal gucken, wo ich nachher einen Schnitt setze für einen fiesen Cliffhanger. Mhm.
Okay, Fee. I need you to find us our next Earth Pulse point.
I found one, but it's really, really far. Way up in the northeast.
If it's that far out, it has to be in Engand.
Engand is a collection of small islands. There's a comparatively bigger one called Lionel Island, but that's the exception.
Yeah, I think the Earth Pulse point's probably out there.
Engand, huh? Those waters are haunted by ghost ships, you know.
Ghost ships?
Yep. Legend has it they snatch up wrongdoers who bear lingering regrets and whisk them away to that eternal voyage.
That doesn't sound promising.
Currents from all over the world converge in Engand's waters, so a lot of shipwrecks from distant seas end up there as their final resting place.
Uh-huh. Ah, so that's where the stories of ghost ships come from.
Boo! You guys have no imagination.
I'd rather they stay imaginary myself.
We should still be careful.
We'll be fine. Ghost ship, exorcist, whatever comes along. We'll be the ones to administer their last rites.
So ist es natürlich. Ceres Motive. Wieso kommt man plötzlich zu Ceres? Hä? Allein unterwegs, okay. Endgehend also. Puh, aber warum da oben?
Just one Therian to go. When I escaped, Ceres told me that Artorias could still be killed. That means she must have known everything. That Innominat is incomplete. How Therians work. But why did she betray Artorias? Why did she give me her strength? I know that try as you might, some fires can never fully be extinguished. But what made you go so far as to feed yourself to me? Tell me, why did you do it, sis? Ugh, what am I saying? Ceres was a Moloch. Just a Moloch. Just focus on what has to be done. Once the Therians are all together, I can end this. That's all that matters. That's all I need to think about.
Naja, ob das wirklich alles ist. Ein Furian fehlt noch, ja, das wird wohl Theresa sein dann. Aber das heißt ja, sie muss erst noch hingebracht werden. Und vermutlich wird uns da bereits Oscar warten, also wie und wann wir dann auf Theresa treffen, wohl ein anderes Thema. Die Frage ist jetzt, okay, es fehlt doch noch eins mindestens. Okay, Freunde, auf geht's! Worauf hast du Hunger?
Time for some grub, Laphicet. What are you hungry for?
I'll have some stuffed giant squid, or prison crab dumplings, or sea snake bowl.
It's your first meal in 3 days, right? Better stick with something mild or you'll be sorry. How about a risotto or vegetable rice soup?
That could be nice.
I could go for some borscht or shark fin and egg soup. For dessert, I'll have a sweet bean and jelly fruit cup, a giant parfait, and a triple berry cake.
Zip it, Magilou.
Oh well, I'm getting full just thinking about it.
I think I'd like some rice porridge, with a pickled plum and baby sardines on top.
Ooh, an austere choice.
And an apple.
In that case, you should have some apple boo.
Apple boo?
What on earth is that?
It's just grated apples. But when my brother wasn't feeling well, I often fed it to him.
I think I'd like to try some.
If you insist, I'll make some for you. At least it's something I can make without needing to taste it.
Okay, I insist.
Okay.
If you're already making some, I'd like...
Zip it, Magilu.
Ja, ja, die kleine Magilu.
Come on, it's fine.
No, it's not. You have to do it right.
You're so mean, Medusa. If you keep telling me what to do, I'll hate you.
Fine, hate me then. So long as you do what I say.
Fine. I love you, Medusa, and you don't even care.
What's going on here?
Eleanor, Medusa's being mean. She keeps telling me to dry my hair after my bath, but I don't wanna.
What? Is that all you're arguing about?
This is important. Just because she's a Therian doesn't mean she can't catch a cold.
But I won't! I won't catch a cold! I swear! I don't want to take Mom's yucky, awful medicine, so I'm not gonna get sick.
If you insist on being so stubborn, we can do this the hard way.
There's no need for everyone to get so worked up. Her hair's pretty much dry already, right?
Yeah, what she said.
I'm spoiling her, aren't I?
Seriously. Look, we don't even know what would happen if a Therian catches a cold, let alone how to treat it.
That's true.
But look, I get it. I know you feel responsible for her.
You mean what happened to her mother?
Yeah, Laphicet told me about it.
My, look who's a little tattletale.
I'm sorry, but I thought Medusa should know, just in case.
It's fine, I suppose. I should have told her myself.
Well, at least I understand everything now. It's all too tragic for words.
Yes. And the knowledge would not be something that a young child could possibly bear. I'm not planning on telling her.
That's probably your only option. But do you really think you can keep lying to her forever?
I have to. For her own sake.
For her, huh?
All right. I'll go with you on this.
You two are going through an awful lot of trouble for a selfish kid.
All kids are selfish. They're selfish. But that's what their families and their mothers should be there for. Don't you have any memories like that yourself?
Sorry, but I'd rather just keep them to myself.
Pish and piffle. Everybody and their issues, am I right?
Ja, welch weise Worte. Jeder hat Probleme. Ja, ist so. Kann ja nichts irgendwie darauf erwidern. Ach du Scheiße, Lionelwerfer. Gut, so weit jetzt im Osten jetzt auch wieder nicht. Hä? Kann ich da überall hin, wa? Soll ich mal irgendwie da wieder nach Norden? Warte mal ganz kurz. Wo war denn jetzt schon wieder, wenn man fragen darf? Was anderes? Da. Aha, das sind die Stufe 4 Dinger. Moment. Aha, nur wie nie, den kann ich ja so hin. Denn es geht ja nur darum, mit dem kleinen Wiedel zu quatschen.
Hey, Videl, we found another one of the ingredients.
Thanks.
Have you figured out any of the remaining ones?
Yeah, but only one of them.
Are you okay? Are you feeling sick again or something?
I found something else in the book. The Omega Elixir was originally concocted as a way to cure the 12-year sickness.
The 12-year sickness?
An incurable disease. Every 12 days, you break out in a fever. Each fever is just a bit worse than the one before it. And when you turn 12, you die.
That's just like what Laffy had.
Videl, you're not saying...
My symptoms are an exact match. And well, my 12th birthday is coming up.
Videl, don't worry. I'll get you the other ingredients. We can make the Omega Elixir together.
It's no use. There's no way you can get them all in time. And even if you did, I'm not sure I could actually make the Omega Elixir.
We can do it. When there's a will, there's a way.
Easy for you to say. You're not the one who's sick here. You get to travel across the world. You get to see all kinds of incredible things.
Videl.
Just go. Leave me alone. I don't want to talk to anybody right now.
Laffy said you don't have to feel so bad. It's okay.
Thanks, Eleanor. But Videl's right. I hadn't even considered his point of view.
But you were just trying to be nice.
Well, even if he doesn't want me to interfere with him, I still want to make that Omega Elixir. He's a friend, and he's in pain. I want to help him.
Yeah, you're right. I'll help you out too.
Keep basking in them sunshine and rainbows, kids. But as far as anyone knows, there's not one case in all of recorded history of anyone who has it surviving.
How does it progress?
It's incredibly rare, only caught by children. Nobody knows how they get it. Some people think they're born with it.
Might even be a curse. Symptoms are certainly weird enough.
A fever every 12 days, just like Laffy. Did he have the 12-year sickness too? Did Artorius know that when he decided to sacrifice Laffy? Was there never any hope to save him at all? Was he doomed to die at age 12? That's too much to...
Also was in der Art aber schon mal angetönt oder von wegen, ja, der war doch eigentlich ständig krank und so, und ob es überhaupt irgendwie eine Form von Heilung gegeben hätte für Laffy. Sprich, ob er sich sogar freiwillig geopfert hat, oder? Aber trotz all dem, wenn man sagen könnte, okay, Artorius hat er getan, damit Laffys Opfer oder Leben noch einen Sinn hatte. Erstmal das Velvet sagen können und nicht irgendwie ja trotzdem den Arm abschneiden und sie zum Vieh verwandeln, einsperren etc. etc. Also, sorry, aber ist noch lange keine Entschuldigung. Da fehlt noch einiges. Einen giftigen Kriecher, dankeschön. Sonst fehlen noch 8 Stück. Wie stark wir uns eigentlich vom Level her? War von dem nur Level 48, waren die anderen sind doch noch einen Zacken stärker. Vom Level her und so wieder auf einen KP. Ja, das spielen wir natürlich am schwächsten. So, hätten wir das. Die Frage ist jetzt... Ein Ei sollen wir suchen, ne? Da ist mit Roku noch da hinten. Da will ich einmal mal Gelegenheit vorbeigehen, weil da ist kein Dorf und so. Da müssen wir den ganzen Weg echt irgendwie... Lovering können natürlich hingehen, wa? Importen das Ei. Das Ei. Kommt das vielleicht sogar erst noch? Ne, hier ist auch nichts. Hier haben wir auch nichts. Ah, hier könnte es sein. Galleseestraße. Tiefes Moorgebiet. Könnte irgendwie relativ schnell hinporten. Von Sechsonhafen aus, wa? Jetzt mal die Frage, war Sechsonhafen schnell hinporten und das Teil holen? Ich meine, warum eigentlich? Nehmen wir da hier oder was? Ja, also Sechsenhafen, ne, wenn wir gerade zur Fernstraße. Wie heißt der Ort schon wieder? Aha, für die Galleseestraße, okay. Da schnell hoch, ne, muss unten durch und so. Da können wir schnell gucken. Dafür müsste die Zeit vom Paar noch reichen. Ne, das war eigentlich nicht. Aber ja, dann noch nach Endgame wir dann doch erst in den nächsten Part gehen. Ist ja echt noch eine Truhe. Ich glaube das einfach nicht. Yeah. So. Bäh. Schwer zu kontrollieren. Mal ganz kurz checken, dann muss oben durch. Nein! Ah! Mann! Falsche Abzweigung, da gibt's doch nicht. Wow. Und hier soll das... Ach du Scheiße, wo ist denn das? Der von der Ebene von Aldina her schneller da. Mal ganz kurz checken. Ja, super, der Steinberg wäre schneller da, vermutlich. Aha, warte mal. Also so. Trick 17 war. Dann leider das Teil nicht einsetzen. Mein Board. Mein Board. Where's my board? Aber da hoch komme ich ja zum Glück. Sup. Sup. Perfekto. Ich habe sogar hier ein bisschen Ruhe. Eigentlich wirklich der perfekte Zeitpunkt, um die Folge mal zu beenden. Freunde, vielen Dank fürs Zusehen hier bei Tales of Berseria. Nächste Part ist noch ganz kurz mal gucken, ob es echt noch ein weiteres, ja, irgendwie Elixier halt gibt. Oder muss da irgendwie hinkommen. Ich hoffe zumindest, dass es irgendwie geht. Das sieht eigentlich nur so aus, kann ich da irgendwie direkt, ja, ihr wisst schon, quasi über den Teich, Fluss, wie auch immer rüber. Dann mal gucken, ob wir da echt noch irgendwas für Videl finden und dann ansonsten zurück nach Endgame. Also war es zurück zum ersten Mal überhaupt, war? Naja, bis dahin, tschüss!